Hello Virgo, how are you? This is your July 2020 love readings. So I have already shuffled these cards and we'll see what the cards have in store for your love situation this month. The Hierophant, Ace of Cups, Five of Pentacles, the World, Eight of Cups. So here we see the first card is the Hierophant card. I feel some of you are from this card, you believe in a traditional kind of love, and for some of you, you want to take your love to the next level. Maybe you're getting engaged or you're getting married, so you're taking to meet your person, to your parents or to your family. So the Hierophant card, I feel, also it could be your energy. You're feeling calm and kind and feeling good about yourself. This is what I feel. This is about the traditional thinking, respecting the traditional way of love. So the Hierophant card. Then Ace of Pentacles. So some of you, the youngsters singles, are getting a new love coming to them. Beautiful love card, Ace of Cups, very beginning energy. So somebody is just coming to you with a lot of love, lot of passion, and it's a very new energy. So it's a new love for you, for some of you, and this love is like it's gonna work for you. It's going to get you joy, happiness, and you will feel very, very happy with this card. Then we have this Five of Pentacles. Now for some of you, Virgo, you are going through, in your recent past, you have gone through a difficult stage in your relationship. Things did not work out and there was a falling apart of relationship. Maybe there is a divorce case which is going on, because I do remember the last reading, or a break, there is a court case, or there is a fallout in which you have been hurt badly. Also that you are some of you are always you are into that energy, that grief and sadness and pain, and you aren't, some of you are missing out because of that sorrow situation. You are missing out on things. You can something which will bring maybe it could bring a news or a information or something that would have been be very good for you, but being in the sorrow state, you tend to miss out an opportunity. So this talks about missing out an opportunity. So both one, or it could be your situation or the other side situation here, because energies can be vice versa. This is like, also it talks about the chaos in mind. Some of you are really feeling restless and chaotic inside your mind, and you're not able to come out of that situation. And then we have the Eight of Cups. Here it shows that some of you have made up your mind, the relationship falling apart, so you have made up your mind and you are walking away somewhere. You are walking away from a relation or the person or the situation into unknown territory. You are not aware. You could also see there's this moon here. So it shows that still things are hidden, under the moon. It could talk about certain things still hidden for you. And this is basically walking away from a difficult situation, Eight of Cups. Then we have the World card. So World card is showing that things are changing for some of you, who are whose relationship has fallen. So it's a change. The World card shows change. So one phase getting over and the other phase, starting for some of you. So it could be that some of you are taking the relationship to the next level. Maybe you're getting engaged and or married, or you're going to live in together. So it's basically closing of one cycle, and it is slowly starting of the new cycle. Also, some of you might be thinking of taking this. So Mercury retrograde, do not take any haste or impulsive decisions, especially with the new love situation, till the Mercury moves forward. That is from 13th of July. It just takes the forward movement, starts taking the forward movement slowly. And old relationship, just be careful, because there could be a lot of miscommunication, because Mercury is the planet of communication. So a lot of miscommunication just can come easily. So just take major decisions only once the Mercury goes its forward motion, from it moves forward. So, and for some of you with this World card, I feel there is travel. Maybe your love or your person is staying at a distance and you are going to meet them up, or so you need to travel, or maybe both of you have made plans to travel together to another state, country, or so basically it talks about traveling. So this is what I have for you, Virgo. We'll pull out one more card from the bottom. Now this is Six of Swords. So it is telling me that for most of you, what I feel is that with this divorce cases and fallout, breakout situation, heartache, slowly towards the end of the month, you are moving away to the calmer waters. Although you are carrying your baggage, it's still not gone. You're carrying your baggage with you, but you are moving from a chaotic situation to a much calmer situation, much better situation, Virgo, in July. So this is it. And for the new lovers also, it is like moving towards, there's a forward movement to your relationship here. So this is it, Virgos. If you do like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, and see you in August 2020 readings again. Thank you.